from Germany.
Germany?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you filming, or is it a movie or a picture?
Yeah, this is blog.
Hey. Hi.
Okay. What is it like living in Germany?
It's okay.
Okay. Do you have any recommendations for places to visit in any country?
In Germany or any? I don't know. What do you mean?
Okay. Oh, how are you finding Delhi?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's your second day or first day in Delhi?
First day.
First day?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the most surprising thing you have learned during your travels?
In India.
Yes, in India.
So on my first day,
Uh,
and my first day in India.
what's the most unique food you tried in any country?
That's a hard question. I don't know.
Uh,
And so here are you?
It's a
Okay,
mic,
it's a mic.
transmitter.
Okay. And now I'm online.
Yes.
It's live.
No, it's
It's
not
not
live.
live. Okay. See you. Have a nice day.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice